start making money is just by sharing the shortened video to social media platforms, and once someone clicks on your shared link, you earn cash. Very simple, right? This is very legit way to make money on YouTube videos just by copy and paste. Hey, can I make money watching videos online? I know this question is always on your mind, so the answer is yes, but please be careful which site to sign up for. Here are our top 5 picks for the most legitimate website to make money by watching videos online. Now, instead of beating yourself up for being unproductive from those videos you watch on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, why not actually make money while watching the same videos in your spare time? It is easy to get paid to watch videos online, and this video will show you how websites do it. You will surely make some extra money for something you like to do. Without taking much of your time, let's talk about the top 5 websites that pay you for watching videos. Each one is a big difference, so the best for you will vary depending on your goals. I know you are ready to get all, but before that, why not subscribe to Rodell Business so that you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we drop another interesting video like this. Have you done that? Let's get started. 1. QuickRewards.net. This site is not popular and many people don't really know about it, and certainly pays you for watching videos as well as for doing some other tasks on the site. Other tasks and activities that you can get paid for include taking daily surveys, reading emails, and shopping online. 2. ncponline.com. The full name is National Consumer Panel, and it's a company that collects data about consumer habits and behavior. They sell video surveys and scan products to purchase. Their video surveys are provided to collect data for advertising campaigns and product support. You can make money by watching videos and providing feedback as demanded by NCP. It's a very straightforward website and easy to make money just by watching videos. 3. Creationsreward.net. Creations Reward is a website that pays users for taking surveys, watching videos, searching the internet, playing games, shopping, and completing other tasks on the site. You also earn points for referring to your friends, which is completely optional. The video you watch from this website are often laced with commercial ads or product offers, and by doing so, you can make a lot of money for yourself. 4. Youkubers.com. I have a video of Youkubers review where I explain everything you need to know, so consider checking it out. This Youkubers is a marketing and advertising company. Its main focus is to ensure that clients are guaranteed a certain number of views on the ad or promotion within a specified period. Youkubers pays users by watching videos on the website, and it's very simple to get started. 5. FusionCash.net. This Fusion Cash is a get-paid website where you can sign up and get paid to watch videos, shop online, view websites, complete offers, and take surveys. This is a money cash website, and you'll be paid cash viewing videos within different time frames. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please note that only number 4 and 5 from this list are available for all countries. So, if your country is not available, let me see your comment below. I will assist you on what to do. They pay every day, and people like you make a lot of money just by watching videos on the website. Begin making wealth using these simple steps I have given you. If you have any questions, let me know, see it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.